Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GetResponse leads into HubSpot CRM, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your GetResponse account. Navigate to the Contacts tab on the left side menu. Select Lists to view your existing lists. Choose the list containing the leads you want to import to HubSpot. Click on the specific list to open its details. Locate the export option, usually found in the top right corner. Select the appropriate format for export, typically CSV or Excel. Confirm the export, and the file will be downloaded to your computer. Now, open your HubSpot CRM account. On the dashboard, find the Contacts section in the top menu. Click on Import to start the import process. Select Start an Import and choose File from Computer. Upload the CSV or Excel file you exported from GetResponse. Map the columns in your file to the corresponding HubSpot properties. Ensure that essential fields like email address, first name, and last name are correctly matched. After mapping, review the import settings to confirm they meet your needs. Once satisfied, click on Finish Import to start the process. Watch for a notification confirming a successful import. Check your contact list in HubSpot for the newly imported leads. If necessary, segment or tag these new contacts for easy identification. Review the imported leads to ensure all data is accurate and complete. Your GetResponse leads are now successfully integrated into HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.